70,000 Kenyan shilling you're getting this Hisense product. Unapata fridge na unapata washing machine yenye ni fully automatic. Wacha tuanze na this fridge. Iko na 5 years warranty on the compressor. You can see it has 2-star energy rating. It's a double door ni kusema inafunguka hivi, whereby it's a top mount freezer. The freezer iko huku juu, fridge iko hapa chini. Imagine for only 33,000 Kenyan shilling you are getting this fridge hapa at Tenza for only 33,000 Kenyan shilling. Also we have this fully automatic top load washing machine. You can see black in color, 9 kg capacity, ni ya Hisense. For only 37,000 Kenyan shilling you can get this fully automatic top load washing machine, 9 kg capacity. Na tulisema you can take both, which is 70,000 Kenyan shilling, ama unaweza opt to take moja, whereby this one is 33,000 Kenyan shilling and the other one is 37,000 Kenyan shilling. Welcome here at Tenza, tuko located for Nakumatt Lifestyle, Meza 91, shop number 2. Ama you can shop with our website, which is www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke.